Okay guys, you have seen it all over YouTube. The one bag carry-on travel hack. Everything you need for your trip for 2 days to a year in one backpack. It's so constant that it's almost like you're being guilted into it, because you're the problem in the carry-on nightmare. Airlines have created that lead to aggression and arrests. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. I see people in curated carry-on luggage and travel clothes taking selfies in the airport. They aren't traveling with one bag. They're the ones who are also trying to teach you how to back like you are a blind monkey. They're also telling you how to cheat and carry 3 bags on. But back to stuffing your life into a backpack for a few months. Unless you're on a long-distance hike, on the Camino de Santiago, or backpacking through Europe in your early 20s, you're not efficient, minimalist, or any of those other buzzwords. You're a poser. I have other words for it, but I can't say them on YouTube, and ironically, since the advice is coming from people also talking about what to wear and how to act as a tourist in Europe, this one-bag backpack travel when you're staying in a decent hotel is the height of tacky, gauche, offensive, and basically the new bad American tourist. Yeah, sneakers, jeans, and baseball caps are acceptable. Posers, you're the current embarrassment to America. So let's compare what I call the carry-on cult to real backpackers. Backpackers, wait, every ounce matters. Backpackers talk about gear, durability, weatherproofing, and whether they can mail their bag ahead on the Camino without feeling like traitors. They obsess about what keeps them moving day after day. Carry-on cult. Optics. It's not about what's in the bag, it's about the illusion of mastery. They brag about wearing the same blazer in Rome, Paris, and Prague, as if their blazer is the point of the trip. Accommodation energy. Backpackers, hostels, shared bunks, early mornings. It's not glamorous, but it keeps costs low so the trip can actually last longer. Backpackers trade comfort for experience, and they're honest about it. Carry-on cult. Pretend luxury. They act like skipping checked luggage somehow elevates them to hotel suite status. They're at the Marriott with a discount code, but on YouTube it's my minimalist chic travel lifestyle. Scroll their feeds and the difference is night and day. Backpackers, raw, unfiltered posts. Blisters, bad weather, hostel breakfasts, but also authentic joy. They don't dress it up, they just show the road as it is. Carry-on cult, curated cosplay. Posing with a roller bag in front of a lounge they weren't even allowed into. Selling you a dream of effortless, glamorous travel, when in reality, they're just cheaping out on baggage fees and pretending it's a philosophy. Backpackers are living out of a bag because that's the only way to keep moving. The carry-on cult is living out of a bag because they want to look like the kind of person who travels a lot. One is about survival and simplicity. The other is about aesthetics and performance. Now, those who are genuinely backpacking, I respect you. And there's no age limit on backpacking through Europe. There's also no luggage requirement. It's perfectly okay to use a rolling bag and a small tote. You can also use courier services just as you can on the Camino de Santiago. The point is, there's no wrong way. Influencers, please stop pushing the same narrative on us and look at your comments. Give us tips about actual things like what to do when your flight is canceled, how to choose travel insurance, and the ins and outs of the largest airports. Talk about something that helps, because that's what I want to do. Also, real backpackers. They have the decency to check their backpacks. Do you want to know why? Because there's equipment that can't be carried on like trekking poles or pocket knives. I know I've been a tad snarky, but these are my opinions, and they seem to be the opinions of others. They just don't have anyone saying it. Please like and subscribe as well as check out other ways you can support my channel. In the meantime, bon voyage.